What's going on, everybody? Today I'm just gonna show you how to cook wild rice. Wild rice. For my seasonings, I have sea salt, thymes, basil, cayenne red pepper, and onion powder. And we're gonna use spring water. So let's begin. So we've added some spring water and some wild rice to the pot. We're gonna add a little more wild rice to it. And we always want to remember, while I do not have the cast iron pot yet, I've been busy with other things. I had a few things cancel on me. So we still always want to try to cook with the cast iron skillet if you frying, or the pot if you're gonna boil. Cast iron, it's electric. That's why we want the cast iron. It's electric. And we want to add our seasonings to it. Got the stove on medium heat. You can always add seasonings of your preference as long as you try to use the seasonings from the Dr. Sebi nutritional guide. That way we can ensure that we are using alkaline seasonings. Now you want to let your wild rice cook for 45-50 minutes. And when you cooking your wild rice, like I said, you want to cook it for 45-50 minutes. The longer that you cook it, the softer that it will become, and it will bust open. It will turn white, and you see the insides will be white. The longer that you cook it, 60 minutes, hour, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, the softer that the rice will get. It's totally up to you, however you want to do that. After 45-50 minutes of cooking the wild rice, can you see how it is opened up and it's turned white? Can you see that real good? That's how you know when it's done. I want to let you get a good look at it. See that wild rice? See how it's opened up? That's when you know that it's done. You can take it off the stove if you want to, or you can let it simmer for another 5-10 minutes if you want to. Like I said, the longer that you let it cook, the softer that it will become. So that's totally on you. So now I'm gonna take the wild rice, put it in a bowl. I'm gonna let you get a good look at it. Wild rice. Your rice should look somewhat like this when you cook it. Like I said, if you want it to be softer or you want it to open up more, leave it on the stove for longer, another 5-10 minutes, it'll be softer. So there we go. Wild rice. So that's how you do wild rice. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on the video. Let me know what you think. Cook you some wild rice. You can follow me on Instagram, Carbonbased_Cellfood. You can send me a friend request on Facebook. It's in the description box below. Got the link for both of those. If you want to get the Dr. Seaver Nutritional Guide, it's in the description box below. If you want to get the Emerald Tablets book by Billy Carson, it's in the description box below. Also, we have herbs. If you want to get alkaline herbs such as burdock, sarsaparilla, bladderwrack, elderberry, or you can DM me on Instagram or Facebook, or you can email me at carbonbasedcellfood@gmail.com, and we can set you up and get those herbs to you whenever you want. Also, you can donate if you like. I got the Cash App in the description box below. And thank you for watching.